Sahu Education. Dear student, today we will discuss a new chapter related to number of class 5. We will discuss here exercise 1 of Roman numerals. Here you know Roman numerals like I, it's said as 1, and double I means number 2, triple I is number 3, IV is number 4, B is for 5, and VI for 6, B double I for 7, B triple I for 8, IX for 9, X for 10. Similarly, we can write L for 50, C for 100, and D for 500, M for 1000. So, keeping this on mind, we'll have to solve some of the questions related to exercise 1. So, question 1 is given here. Convert the following Roman numerals to Arabic. So, we'll solve one by one. So, come to now question number 1. Convert Roman numbers to Arabic. Numbers to Arabic number. Okay. Here given student bit A, B. You know B is for 5 and B is given X. You know X is also equal to 10. Then question number C, that is C value is equal to 100 and D, it's written capital D, which is equal to 500, and E is given L. L stands for 50. Okay, like this type of question will come when any Roman numbers given, we have to convert them into Arabic system like this. Now we will discuss question number 2 of this exercise. This is given, convert the following to Roman number. Okay, we have to convert here Arabic numbers to Romans. Okay, bit A is given 10, bit B is given 200, and C is given 6, then D is given 11, and E is given 105. So I'll tell you one easiest method how to convert this Arabic number to Roman system. You already know 10 is written as X, and you know expansion form of the numbers. They are given 200, we can write it as 100 plus 100, and also you know 100 is written for Roman number C. So 2 times C represents 200 because 200 we divided into 100 plus 100. Similarly, we can easily convert to 6 as 5 plus 1, 5 for B and 1 for I. So BI. Similarly, the next number D is given 11. We will write 11 as 10 plus 1, that is 10 is X and 1 is I, Xi. Next number E is given 105. 100 plus 5. Okay. So 100 you know, 100 can be written as C and 5 is written as B. So 105 is CB, which is in Roman form. Now we will discuss question number 3. Here it's given, convert the following to Arabic numerals. So some of the Roman numbers given, we have to convert into Arabic. Now come to the question number 1 of Arabic to numerals. Roman numerals to Arabic numbers. Okay. So here given some number, BT is given about LB, bit B is given about CXI, C is for CLBII and D is for XX. So you know L stands for 50 plus B stands for 5. So 50 plus 5 is 55. LB stands for 55. Similarly, we will discuss CXI. Here C for 100 and X for 10, I for 1. So this is 111. Now come to next question. It's given CLBII. That means C stands for 100. L stands for 50, B stands for 5, I stands for 1 and another I stands for 1. So you see, we'll add 100 plus 50, 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So our answer will be 157. Now come to question number D. It's given X. That means 10 plus 10. This is 20. Okay. Now we will discuss question number 4. Now come to question number 4. Here given, convert Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Here given 33. Means 3 times 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10. And 3 times 1. So I'll say 3 times 10, that means x, and 3 times 1, that is I. Okay. Next is 56. 56 can be splitted. 50 plus 6 again can be splitted as 5 plus 1. So you know 50 is for L, 5 for B and 1 is for I. Okay. Now come to next number C. Here given 105. It's splitted as 100 plus 5. Okay. So the 100 is C and 5 is B. So B is for 105. Now we will discuss the question number D, that is 12. Here we can write 12 as 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 is for X, 1 and 1, that is I. X, I is for 12. Same here we will represent 171. Here we will write 100 plus 70 can be split as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. So we'll put C is for 100, then L for 50, 10 is 2 times, so XXI. So CLXXI is for 171. Okay. Now next we'll come to question number 5. Here given convert to Arabic numbers. Okay. Let us see. X is for 10, another X is for again 10. You know IV is written for 4. Why I'm again reminding you, we can use a letter for 3 times maximum. Okay, like we'll write 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is I plus I plus I in Roman. Okay, but we cannot write 4 as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 1 I 4 times I we cannot write. Okay, this is wrong. We know the letter for 5 is B. So for 4 we are writing 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we will write I for 1 and B. I before D, that is IB, which stands for 4. Okay. Similarly, if we will say 40, before going to discuss 40, you know 30, that is 3 times 10, which is equal to X. As I said, we will never repeat the letter after 3 times. We will never repeat any letter after 3 times. Here 30 is repeated, X repeated 3 times for 30. But if you write for 40 as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 4 times X, then this is wrong. Okay, we know 50 is for L. So we know then 40 equal to can be written as 50 minus 10. So we'll minus 10, that's why X will be before 50, that is L. XL is for 40. Okay, so we'll have to remember these ideas and we'll have to solve some of the questions here given LIX. So IV is 4, so we'll write XX IV for 4. Similarly, here given LIX. L is for 50 and IX means 10 minus 1. So we'll write 59 for LIX. Similarly, you see here XC. I'm telling you your XC. C is for 100 and you will see L is for 50. Then 60 we can write LX. 70, that is 50 plus 10 plus 10. So LXX. 80 can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it will be x. Now x repeated 3 times. So for 90 we cannot write L 4 times x. We will write the before of 100, that is 100 minus 10 x c is for 90. So basing on this concept, we will solve the question number B. So C. Here xc stands for 90 and ix stands for 9. Okay, we will write 90 plus 9, that is 99. Okay, here written C I X. C stands for 100. C is 2 times, so it's 100 plus 100 plus Ix, that is 10 minus 1. So we'll say 200 plus 100, 200 plus 9, that is 209. Okay. Now next bit is E. They have given X I X. You know, X stands for 10 and Ix stands for 9. So 10 plus 9, 19 is for X I X. Now students, comes to question number 6. Here given, convert the following to Roman numbers. Okay, here given 1, 7, 9. We can split as 100 plus 70. You know, it's near to 50. So we can write 70 as 50 plus 10 plus 10, and 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. So we'll write it 100 for 100 C, 50 for 50 L, then x for 2 times 10, and 10 minus 1, that is Ix. Okay. Now come to bit B. Is given 14. Okay. That is 10 plus 5 minus 1. Okay. 10 is for x and 5 minus 1, 5. That is IB. Okay. XIB for 14. Now next C number is 77. We have to convert it into Roman number. So we can write 7 tens plus 7 ones, that is 70 plus 7, which again can be splitted. 70 can be splitted as 50 plus 10 plus 10, and 7 can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now put 50 is for L, then 10 is X, another 10 X will put, then 5 is B, and I. So L X X B I is for 77. Now come to next number 86. Here we know it's written 80 is written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, then plus 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So we'll represent 50 as L, 3 times 10 is given, so X, then 5 is B, and I, 1 for I. L, X, B, I is for 86. Similarly, we'll discuss last one of question number 6, that is 111, which is written as 100 plus 10 plus 1. Okay, now we'll write it 100 plus 10 plus 1. So 100 is C, then 10 is X and 1 is for I. CXI is for 111. Now we'll discuss question number 7. Here given which Roman numeral is incorrect, then give the correct Roman numeral. Here students given A equal to 40, which is written in Roman as X. And I am saying you here that any letter cannot be repeated more than thrice. So X is repeated more than 3 times, so it's wrong. We can write 40 as 50 minus 10. Okay, so that is equal to XL for 40. Okay, now you see question number B is given. Now come to B. Here given 99 is equal to written IC. So we'll see here 99 can be written as 90 plus 9. You know 90, that is XC plus 9 is written as IX. So XCIX is for 99. So it's incorrect. Okay. Now we will discuss option C, that is 95. This is written BC, but I will say here C incorrect. We will write down 90 as 90 plus 5. 9 can be written as XC plus 5 is B. Okay, XC B is for 95. Here option D is given 19, which is written IXX. This is also incorrect answer. So we'll write down 19 as 10 plus 9. So you know 10 is X and 9 is IX. So XIX is the correct answer. Now we are written 49 as XLIX. We'll see 49, that is 40 plus 9. You know 40 can be written as XL, 9 is written IX. So this is the correct answer. So this much is for Roman numerals. Thank you all. And for next videos, you have to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest